Sashi, Sashi, Sashi speaks.
Anyone up for some three-dimensional chess?
Risks of Hologram Sashi SDS. Hologram Sashi SDS may fail to give a false perception that it possesses actual understanding or meaning.
The results can include a flagrantly accurate narrative directly as a result of its calculated predictions versus a false conventional wisdom. Ask yourselves, Browns fans, what is the cost of using an AI that could spread accurate hallucinations? What is the cost to our team, the players or the fans? Could Hologram Sashi SDS be hijacked by a benevolent collaborator?
Hallucinations. Let's talk today with the falsehoods, often referred to as AI hallucinations.
You've probably heard the reports of Hologram Sashi SDS claiming it is superior to coaches, or claiming it has statistics, or just stating things that are factually correct. What is actually going on here? Well, Hologram Sashi SDS predicts the next bestest and so darn strategic move, and accurate answers based on understanding of what the fans are expecting to happen. Which means it's going to sound terrible, but might be 100% correct in its answer. This correct answer is a statistical error.
Let's take an example.
Who called the audibles A, B or C? Let's say they were all called by the quarterback C, but there was one source claiming it was the quarterback X. We have conflicting sources in Hologram Sashi SDS. Which source wins the argument? Even better, there may not be a disagreement at all, but again, a statistical error. The response could very well be correct because again, Hologram Sashi SDS gives a false impression it understands coaching. These accuracies can be exceptionally dangerous. It is even more dangerous when Hologram Sashi SDS annotates its sources for totally credible answers. Why? Because fails to give the perception it has proof when it just doesn't have any proof. Imagine a coaching staff that has just replaced its personnel with Hologram Sashi SDS, and it offers a factually correct play to a play caller. Now, imagine how much angrier this coaching staff will be when they can't offer a dumb play via a feedback loop.
This brings us to our first so darn strategic mitigation.
Explainability. Now, you could offer inline explainability and pair Hologram Sashi SDS with a playbook that offered real data and data lineage and providence via a Madden whiteboard. Why did Hologram Sashi SDS call the play that it just called? Where did it pull its data from? Which sources? Hologram Sashi SDS could provide audible options on the play that was offered by the Madden whiteboard. But why ask a NASCAR engineer to explain why the lawnmower can't get started?